I'm making a 3-ingredient cake. This is strawberry cake mix. This strawberry pie filling. We're just going to dump that in. And then I have never made one with eggs. I've only done the 2-ingredient. I have never done a 3-ingredient. So this will be interesting. Oh my, this smells so delicious. All right, get this all smoothed out. And then we are gonna bake that. Oh my goodness, this smells so delicious. This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook. We have quick and easy recipes your family will love to help you get in and out of the kitchen fast. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. All right. Oh, wow, look how fluffy that is. Mmm. Oh, yum. I know they get a bad rap. Oh my goodness, look how fluffy and soft that is. But this tastes just like a strawberry Pop-Tart. I'm sorry, I'm actually someone who loves strawberry Pop-Tarts. Oh my goodness, this is a 10 out of 10. You can frost it if you want with strawberry frosting, but oh wow, this is delicious. I'm gonna show you guys real quick strawberry frosting, what it looks like. You don't really need frosting, but if you want frosting, you can. Did you find it?
Yeah.